Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you the beginner tutorial of AppGyver. So simply, as you know, first of all, that AppGyver is some kind of platform where you can build like applications for your cell phone, Android, and secondly you can also develop apps for your desktop. So in order to do this, just first of all you have to go to appgyver.com, and after that you have to select try free community edition. If you already have account on AppGyver, simply you can sign in, but currently I don't have account, so I will go to click on this page and go to sign up page. So now here you have to type the email address first of all, and then you have to enter the password. After that, enter your first name and then enter your last name here, and here you will set your company name. After that, select your country and just check these two options. Now click on here on I'm not a robot and click on get your free account. So when you click here, you will directly move to your mailbox and simply confirm your account here. After that, when you confirm your account, you have to log in, and when you have logged in, simply as you can see here, you can type your organization name, set up for personal use. So if you want to check this, you can check it. After that, click on continue. So here you can see what describe your role best, programmer, designer, or something. So simply I will click on designer and then click on continue. What would you like to build with AppGyver? Just a hobby app, internal apps for my company, and all these options. So I will just select this and click on continue. So what are you most excited about in AppGyver Composer? Increasing my productivity, or simply you can see all these two options. So just I will click here, and now you have to click on continue. How did you hear about us? So simply select any reason and after that click on continue. So now when you click on continue, it will setting up your next page. So here you can see if you already have apps, so simply you can search here, but currently I don't have any app. So here you can also get the starting guide, but simply I will click on create new. So when you click on create new, so directly you will move to the next section, and finally here you can see, here you can type the app name. So but just keep in mind that use a good name for your application, and just simply type the name here, and after that when you app name type here, simply just click on create. So saving new app, so simply this will take some time to save your new app name. And so in AppGyver you can simply create multiple apps in single accounts. So just after that when you save your app name, now you will move to new page. So finally here you can see we have successfully landed to our designer page. So here you can see first of all the headline, and then you can see some kind of description here. So simply now we want to build app. So as you can see on the left side, the images section. So section wise we can find all the elements here. So like I want to add this one, simply place the icon here. So when you place the icon, simply here in this section you can edit this, and after that just here you can set the title here. So already I have title, so simply here you can edit the title, like you can change the name here, and after that here you can also set the values. After that here you can see click on save. So now here you can see after that the image section. So simply you can drag it here, and here you can also upload the image. Go to your computer and select the image, that you want to upload. So in this way you can upload an image, and here you can also add the spinner. Here you can also add the chord. So simply when you move any section, simply you have to drag it here, and now after that you can select here, and now here you can edit this. So simply now if you want to delete any section, just you have to select it, and just here you can find the remove component option. So in this way you can remove components from your apps. So after that, here you can see in the form section the button. So simply drag the button here. So here you can change the button name, color, size, title, text, spinner, buttons, all the options available here. So in the next you can see drop down field. So you can add the drop down field here. Simply you can edit all these options here. So after that you can also add the slide field here. So select and edit it here. Now here password field, you can also edit this. So here you can also add the input field. So simply in this way you can add all the components one by one. So now here you can see the list. So first of all you can also add the list divider here. So the next list section header, so you can add list section here, and next toggle list item, drag it here. So simply you have understand that first of all if you want to add any component, you have to go to left side and simply just you have to drag and paste it on your screen. After that if you want to edit, simply select and go to edit section, and here you can edit this. So this is how you can add components, delete components, and add components for your app. So in the next, here you can see style. So here you can also change the style, layouts, all these options available in the edit section. So after that, just here you can see the view, and now after that here you can see the option by me. So in order to add more features, you have to simply install the premium package here, and here you can also check the codes, like you have to install codes, drop down field, checkout field, slider field, password field, input field. So you can simply drag all these fields here, and just you can insert one by one all the fields, like an icon, list item, search bar. If you want to add the search bar, so simply you can add the search bar here. So toggle list item, headlines, images, spinner, button. So after that here you can see, so here you can also change the preview option, and here you can also set the zoom for this. So after that, when you successfully added all the components, so here you can see the themes option. So in the theme section you can select the multiple themes here by colors, theme, variables, fonts. So all the themes are available here. So simply you can change the theme also just in the navigation. So here you can add the items simply, and here you can store the data. So if you want to store a data, simply what you need to do, you have to currently don't have any data, so simply just you have to click here, add data source, and after that on device storage, here you can set the resources ID, short description, ID, property type, example values, and here you can add the data source of your application. So now here you can get help. So after that, just go back to designer page. So when you completely design your application, like you have added all the components and everything, after that now if you want to publish your website, So in order to publish or download your website, or simply if you want to launch website, simply you have to click on launch section. But just you have to understand that you have to buy a premium package in order to publish and launch your application or desktop app or web here. So just you have got to know that how you can use the app caviar and how you can use all these components. So this is very simple tutorial for new beginners, how you can mess with coding and how you can mess with these sections. So this is very easy, that you don't need to install any code, so anyone can simply create application through AppGyver.